particular property where the F-150 was found?
Yes.
Were you able to identify anyone other than Henry Tenon that had a connection to that property?
The individual who was spoken to by law enforcement?
Do you know that person's name?
Jimmy Jones.
Did you ever find any connection between Mario Fernandez and Jimmy Jones?
I did not know.
After those 3 checks, which was March and April, no disagreement that there was no evidence of payments November of 2021 from Mario Fernandez to Henry Tenon?
Not that I'm aware of, no.
None for December of 2021?
Not that I'm aware of, no.
Nothing in January of 2022?
Not that I'm aware of.
And nothing in February of 2022 when the homicide occurred?
That's correct.
You would agree you found no evidence, Mr. Tenon, a text message between him and Mario Fernandez with regards to payments for a homicide?
That's correct.
You've never been made aware of a jail phone call from Henry Tenon to anyone complaining that he didn't get paid for this homicide?
No.
No other information related to Henry Tenon getting paid for this homicide other than the allegation that these 3 checks may have had some significance?
I don't have information that I can speak to now that there was these 3 checks were anything other than what they said on the memo line, but I can't speak one way or the other.
Certainly you're not convinced, as you see here today, that those checks were for the homicide or for the work that's written in the memo line?
I'm not sure that it's appropriate for me to speculate about that.
You can't draw a conclusion either way?
Not with the information I have.
Understood. Now you referenced these data deletions.
Yes.
Now these data deletions, the state brought those up on what has been marked as states 212. Can you tell me if that's displayed on your screen?
Yes.
This is a big spreadsheet, all from what you received back from Google. Is that correct?
What law enforcement received, yes.
Okay. Some of these have more data than others, correct?
That's correct.
Now, the state didn't highlight this in their direct examination, but I'm going to start with item number 4. You would agree if you go to the far right, starting at P for number 4, it indicates facebook.com. Do you see that?
Yes.
Okay. Sounds pretty elementary, but you would agree that that appears to be something deleted related to Facebook?
I believe so, based on my understanding of what the records show.
No information that there's ever been anything posted on Facebook by Mario Fernandez as it relates to the homicide of Jared Bridegan?
Not that I'm aware of, but if it was deleted, I wouldn't have been able to review it.
But certainly, law enforcement can get a subpoena to send to Meta to collect data of Facebook posts and stories.
That's correct.
Okay. Something that the ATF can do.
That's correct.
Okay. JSO could do that.
That's correct.
Jacksonville Beach Police Department.
Yep. Yes.
And certainly we had the FBI involved as well. They could do that too.
Yes.
Okay. So if someone thought it was significant that Mario Fernandez deleted things from Facebook, there are mechanisms that law enforcement can employ to go and find out what it was.
That's correct.
Okay. But as you sit here today, you don't even know exactly what that Facebook deletion was.
I do not.
Okay. The state just wanted to elicit that there were a lot of deletions on the date that Mr. Fernandez went in for a voluntary interview.
That's
Agree with that?
Yes.